I'm Wendi Goldsmith, and I started Bioengineering Group back in 1992. At that point, I had a passion for handling water resources wisely in a built environment, and I saw nobody else was doing it. A lot of construction practices change how land absorbs and processes water. And if you just understood how natural systems worked, you could shepherd the water on a site more effectively with lots of ecological benefits as well as cost savings. Bioengineering Group started out doing work on pretty small scale research and development type things, doing pilot scale demonstration type projects. And bit by bit, we went from a small size to a, well, I believe this can work. Clients were trusting us to work on a larger level, to the point where we're actually in a leading role for design and program management on the single largest public infrastructure projects going on in North America right now, down in Greater New Orleans. My favorite part about running this business has always been bringing together teams of talented, dedicated people. Our mission is building sustainable communities on an ecological foundation. I recently had the pleasure of running into someone that I'd met with very early on in Bioengineering Group's history. He said, "Wendi, you came in, you told me about all these services you were offering, you had this vision, and I could tell you were really clear and really pumped up, but I just shook my head and I said, she's gonna fail. I know this industry." And he said, "Boy, was I wrong. You predicted this green design movement before anybody else saw it coming. You built your skill set and you're known for it. And you've really been practicing this stuff just as the rest of the industry's learned its importance." In 2008, we doubled our number of staff and our revenues. In 2009, we doubled again. 2010 is off to an excellent beginning with the win of a $30 million contract. I've loved being presented with many different challenges and trying to find ways through problems like not having enough money, trying to design something that's never been designed before, trying to convince clients to travel well outside their comfort zone, and doing all of these different things simultaneously added an even larger challenge. And juggling is fun. I've enjoyed all the juggling, and I can say with pride I'm good at it too.